Hi guys, welcome back to Check Your Out channel. Okay, this video is chapter 4 operation on sets. And it is about 4.1 intersection of sets. The learning standard is to determine and describe the intersection of sets using various representations. Now refer to your textbook, page 96. Set A are peoples who prefer to eat durian. Set B, peoples who prefer to eat rambutan. So, based on your textbook, identify what are the elements of set A and set B. How to represent set A and set B? You can represent by using set notation. Okay, you list all the elements of set A, which are Nabil, Hani, Yankit, Raj, Mei, Afiq, Mina, Benjamin, and Jenny. And the elements of set B are Navin, Raj, Afiq, Amirul, Benjamin, and Khairi. Next, A intersection B. What is intersection? Intersection means, this symbol is represent intersection. And intersection means the common elements. Common elements of two sets, two or more sets. Okay, so A intersection B refer to peoples who prefer to eat both durian and rambutan. The keyword for intersection is and. Okay. So, how to identify A intersection B? You have to identify what are the common elements between these two sets. So, the common elements are Raj, Afiq, and Benjamin. Okay, so A intersection B are Raj, Afiq, and Benjamin. Because Raj, Afiq, and Benjamin are prefer to eat both durian and rambutan. Raj, Afiq, and Benjamin are in set A and also it appear in set B. Okay, now how to represent by using Venn diagram. First, you have to draw the shape for set A. Okay, remember how to represent set by using Venn diagram. Okay, you draw the shape, the geometrical shape, and then the name of the set must be outside the shape. Okay, set A and then followed by set B. It have intersection. Okay, this is how you draw the Venn diagram for A intersection B. Now, how to insert the elements inside the shape. First, you write all the elements for both sets. The common element for both sets, you write at the intersection. Okay, Raj, Afiq, and Benjamin. Okay, next, what you have to do is you write others element, other elements which is not in the intersection. Okay, Nabil, Hani, Yankit, Mei, Mina, and Jenny. Okay, and set B, the other elements in set B are Navin, Amirul, and Khairi. Okay, so this is how you represent the intersection by using Venn diagram. Okay, this side, for this side, for durian only. Okay, and this side is for rambutan only. Okay, and this one is for durian and rambutan. Okay, so this is how you represent the intersection of sets by using Venn diagram. Now look at example in textbook, page 98. It is given that the universal set X, where X is an integer between 1 and 10. Set P is X, where X is an odd number. Set Q is X, where X is the prime number. And set R, X, where X is a multiple of 3. So, the question is, list all the elements of the following intersection of sets. You have to list all the elements of set P intersection Q. Before you identify what are the P intersection Q, you have to write all the elements in the universal set first. Alright, the elements of universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4 until 10. Next, what you have to do is you list the elements of P. Okay, the elements of P is odd number in the universal set. Set Q, the prime number in the universal set. Therefore, P intersection Q is 3, 5, 7. Why? Because the common elements between P and Q are 3, 5, and 7. Number 2, P intersection R, you list all the elements of set P and all the elements of set R. Set R is the multiples of 3 in the universal set. Okay, the common elements for set P and set R is 3 and 9. Therefore, P intersection R is 3 and 9. For the question 3, Q intersection R, you list all the elements of set Q and elements of set R. Then identify the common elements for set Q and set R. Q intersection R is only one element, which is 3. For question 4, P intersection Q intersection R, so you have to list set P, set Q, and set R. And then identify which elements exist or appear in all the 3 sets. Okay, so common element for these 3 sets is 3. Therefore, P intersection Q intersection R is only one element, which is 3. Okay, this is how you list the elements for intersection. Remember, you have to list the universal set first, and then list for element of each set which you are going to discuss. And then the next step, you have to identify the common element for the sets you discuss. Okay, now how to determine the intersection of 2 or more sets using Venn diagram. There are several situations for intersections. Okay, the first one, P intersection Q, where some of elements of set P and some of elements of set Q have common elements. Okay, this side is the intersection between P and Q. It is represent P intersection Q. Okay, the second one, Q is subset P that you have learned in Form 1 for the subset. which means all elements in set Q are in set P. Okay, so this side or this area is represent P intersection Q, where P intersection Q is equals to set Q. Or in other words, P intersection Q is subset of set P. Okay, now look at other situation. You have more than two sets. Here you have set P, set Q, and set R. Okay, this side or this area represent P intersection R. Okay, where is P intersection Q? Where is P intersection Q? P intersection Q is this area. Okay, this one is P intersection Q. Okay. Okay, next, the other situation. Okay, you have to find P intersection Q intersection R. You want to find intersection of more than two sets. Okay, this area represent P intersection Q intersection R. Okay, to further understand about intersection of two or more sets, we are going to do exercise in our module. Alright, this one is your module. Okay, refer to your module. I will show you example on how to shade the region that represent two or more intersections. Okay, for example, refer to this question, question 5. You want to represent X intersection Y intersection Z. So how to represent that region? Okay, X intersection Y. First you do for X intersection Y. This area or this region is represent X intersection Y. Based on what you have shaded, you continue to intersect with Z. Okay, so the area for X intersection Y intersection Z is this one. Okay, only this one, yeah. So what you have to do is erase the other side. Okay, so this one represent X intersection Y intersection Z. Okay, now refer to question 6. I just show you example on how to shade the region X intersection Y intersection Z. Okay, I refer to question 2. First, you shade the region of X intersection Y. X intersection Y is this region. Okay, and then based on the region that have you shade, okay, you identify intersection Z. Okay, so the intersection of Z is this region. Okay, next is you erase the other region that not overlap. Okay, so this one, okay, this region represent X intersection Y intersection Z. Okay guys, that is how you shade the region that represent intersection more than two sets. Okay, so next is you have to do exercise in your module. Okay, so that's all. Bye.